Welcome to the tutorial for Beginner Ukulele for our Minim Day 2026. Every time you practice, try to do all 3 songs. Parents, if you're with your child, when you play the song, when the children plays the song, please help to point so that they know where to change. Okay, so you need your ukulele with green, red, and yellow sticker. You will need your 3 songs, Soda Pop, I've Got No Strings, and I See the Light. We're going to start with Soda Pop. Get ready your ukulele. Get ready your finger on the C chord. 1, 2, ready, go. You're all I can think of, every drop I drink of. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Cool me down, you're so hot. Pour me up, I won't stop. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Okay, next song. I've Got No Strings. C chord first. 1, 2, ready, go. I've got no strings to hold me down, to make me fret or make me frown. I had strings, but now I'm free. There are no strings on me. Hi ho, the merry-o, that's the only way to go. I want the world to know nothing ever worries me. I've got no strings, so I have fun. I'm not tied to anyone. They've got strings, but you can see there are no strings on me. Great job. I see the light. The first chord is your F chord. Get ready. Okay? 1, 2, go. And at last I see the light, and it's like the fog has lifted. And at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is blue, and it's warm and real and bright, and the world has somehow shifted. All at once, everything looks different now that I see you. Great job practicing. A little bit of practice always goes a long way, and I'll see you the next time you practice. Bye!